Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a true electric beast in 1/64 scale, the Hot Wheels Tesla model Plaid HYX58. This model comes from the HWEV series, number 9 out of 250 for the 2025 mainline, Case P, a sleek white casting that perfectly captures the futuristic lines of Tesla's flagship sedan. Let's dive in. The diecast itself is detailed with clean body lines, blacked-out wheels, and tinted windows. It reflects the minimalistic yet aggressive stance of the real Plaid. Hot Wheels has once again managed to miniaturize an icon of innovation, and collectors worldwide are chasing this piece as part of the growing EV lineup. Now let's talk about the real car. The Tesla Model S Plaid, launched in 2021, is powered by 3 electric motors, delivering an astonishing 1,020 horsepower. That's about 750 kilowatts. With this power, it rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.1 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars in the world. This 4-door sedan isn't just about acceleration. With a top speed of 322 km/h and a length of nearly 5 meters, it combines family practicality with hypercar-level performance. It truly redefines what we can expect from electric mobility, and Hot Wheels brings that story to our scale collections. Whether you're into EVs, Tesla fans, or simply passionate about diecast cars, this model represents a milestone in automotive history, a perfect fusion of speed, innovation, and design. Now available in the palm of your hand in 1/64 scale. What do you think of this miniature Plaid? Let us know in the comments below.
Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for daily diecast content, unboxings, 360-degree views, and dioramas every week. Non perderti i prossimi video. Iscriviti al canale per contenuti quotidiani su modellini in scala 1/64, unboxing, 360 degree e diorami ogni settimana.